No, okay. Okay. Alright, so I put a little bit concealer. I use this AOA Pop Box concealer in the shade Porcelain, so it looks better now. I don't look as bad, so. Okay, so now I'm gonna test out, finally, this Besame Cosmetics mascara and lipstick. So this is gonna be iconic because this is like a vintage style makeup, like Marilyn Monroe would use, kind of, or Audrey Hepburn, all of those iconic legends, you know. So this is a cake mascara and it's in the shade black. Oh no, it's in the shade, yeah, black cake and 1920. So then this is what people would use in the 20s, this style. Obviously not this exact product or brand, it didn't exist, but I'm saying like the style of mascara, the kind of like the packaging similar wise, but not so much the actual product. Probably the formula was way different than right now, but they try to emulate it in today's time. Obviously it's not going to be exactly the same, but they tried and it's cute. So this comes with this little brush. So wow, I'm just so excited to use it. It's so cool. So it's brown, it's plastic, it's cheap feeling, not gonna lie, but this part feels pretty good, it's sturdy. So this is way too big for my little lashes, but we'll see. And I always forget to bring something. I need to use water. Back then they would use water to mix their makeup to mascara. We don't have to use that anymore, but so for today's product, yeah. Not my mascara falling. No. No, okay. Let me find water first. Okay, so I'm back. So I found this old water bottle, so I'm gonna put it in the mascara now. I already took the plastic off. And okay, so I'm gonna apply a little bit of water here. I don't know how much, so I'm gonna try and mix it and blend it together. Oops, I put too much. Never mind, I can't see anything. But anyways, so let me mix it with my little brush. Let's see what happens. I put too much and nothing's coming off. It's just swimming in black stuff. Okay, I don't know. Let me test it out and see if I got product. Oh, never mind, I did. It's just very watery. I got too excited. I put way too much. Oh no. Let me record this. Hold up. Okay, it dried down. So finally, I'm gonna test it out and see how it looks on my lashes. So I guess you're supposed to brush your hairs up like this. I don't know, girl. This is not giving anything. It's not even showing on my lashes. What? I don't know how to use this, but it's definitely not for me right now. It's not working. Look. Oh, it feels kind of cold. You see? It looks like I didn't put any product on. I don't know why. I don't know how. I probably put too much water. I mean, you can see it here. It's the product is there. It's just not in my lashes, so you can barely see anything. Yeah, this is a fail. I don't think I like this at all. Maybe it's me. I'm just using it wrong. I don't know. I don't see anything working. It looks like this one, and this side I didn't put anything. I don't know if it's the brush or I put too much water. I don't know. Ooh, but I got on my lash line. I see black, so. But on my lashes, I guess I'm barely starting to see something. But I had to scrub harder, so you see, barely see. So it is black. It's somewhat pigmented. Scratchy. I don't know how people did it back then. It doesn't look cute. I got on my lid. But I'm gonna test it out on my bottom lashes. Maybe it works better there. Okay, you can see it better. My bottom lashes is more noticeable. But it's hard to use. I got on my lash line. Yeah. Bottom crease or whatever. It's very hard to use. Wow, it's hard, but you see it definitely works. I think I like it more for my bottom lashes. I just need to practice. You have to be very careful. Maybe put like a guard at the underneath. I don't know. Very messy. I guess it works, kind of, not really. So yeah, I'm glad I don't live back then because I don't have the patience to put makeup on like this, like the old times. I don't look cute. I know. Oh, it looks, you can see the lashes better, but they don't even curl. They're just like going up. It don't look good at all. You see? Okay, this is with no product and this is with product on. So it's giving a natural lash. It's not even giving natural, it's giving nothing. I'm kidding. But no, it really is. You can really see anything. So back then it was probably very natural makeup anyways. But still, you can, it's like, I didn't put any makeup on. It is messy though. Look at the water. I had to put I'm gonna probably throw the water away so it doesn't get overly wet. Let me find. So I tried it with a napkin, and look, I had to hold it, and look, all the pigment is very pigmented. So you see, be careful when you touch it. You get dirty easily. Like I said, you get dirty easily, and it landed on my shirt, on my white shirt. So this is not convenient at all. I don't like it. It ruined my shirt, and this is the first day I'm wearing my shirt. Wow, it always happens. I'm so clumsy and messy, so not surprised, but why the first day though? Why? Oh well, so just be very careful if you use it because it's gonna get everywhere. Anyways, I try to put the mascara on this side as well, but I don't see a difference. So I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. I don't have the patience and I'm getting sleepy. And that's how bored I am. So I'm gonna finally use the lipstick, which I'm excited about. I don't know why. It's shaped boxy, square like, rectangle wise. I don't know if that's how it was back then, but I'm gonna have to use a brush. Yeah, I'm just gonna use whichever one. So I don't want to mess up the logo. It smells really good. Okay, so I'm gonna line my lips. Ooh, it's very pigmented and soft and gloss. Not glossy, but kind of looks shiny, like satiny, not so matte. It was easy to line. it's not budging. It's not like MAC super matte lipstick. It's very moisturizing. So the formula, I like it so far. So, and the color payoff too is cool. Alright, I hope this red lipstick matches my skin tone, because damn, they had a lot. I didn't know what color to choose. I think I overlined too much. Okay, so I'm just gonna use the lipstick now. Oh, it looks very pretty. It looks like it has glitter. Look, it looks... Oh, well, what? It looks different color when you line your lips, but when you apply it, it looks kind of like gold reflex. You see? No, I got my white shirt dirty again. This is why I don't wear white, because I always ruin my clothes. I just love this color. It's so pretty. If I would have gotten this before Christmas, but wow, it's very, very pigmented. It's very hard to apply though. I can't apply it without getting over the line or messy. You have to be careful. I overline my lip. I'm not trying to overline my lips like crazy, but oops, I messed up. This red doesn't look like this red at all. It doesn't look shimmery or metallic-y. I don't know. Wow, that's so cool. Wow, I think this is very, very pretty. This is very nice. Wow. I think this is my favorite thing of today. The mascara, no, but the lipstick, yes. Lipstick. Wow, looks very good. But so I'm gonna end it here. Thank you so much, Besame Cosmetics, for gifting me these products. I'm so excited to try more of your products if I can, you know what I'm saying. But so far these are great. This one's my favorite, so definitely check their brand out. I'm gonna put all the details in my description box. So yeah, I can't stop looking at my lipstick. It's very, very pretty. Look, it looks like shiny, reflective, but it's not thick. It's moisturizing. It's very pigmented. It's very pretty. Like, I don't know how long it's gonna last. Like, if you eat and drink, I don't know. I'm just first applying this, but wow, I just imagine this for, like, you know, New Year's or Christmas or going out anywhere. Everybody's gonna stare at you. Like, that's how good it looks. In person too, it looks very reflective and gold, like has gold shimmer sparkles. You can tell in person as well, not just in camera. In camera it looks more reflective, I think, because of the lighting, but it looks very pretty. It's not the traditional red lipstick. It has something going on. I'm glad I got this shade because, oh, it makes sense. The name is Holiday Red, so yeah, it looks like you can wear this for holidays or special events, occasions. Not really for every day, but forget it. If you don't care and you want to wear sparkly red lipstick, then go ahead. Like I would, to be honest, but not everybody's like that. So yeah, they have regular red lipsticks, by the way. They have a lot of different lipsticks depending on your skin tone. Like if you have cool skin tones, they have red lipsticks for you, and as well as warm skin tones. I didn't see a lot about neutral skin tones. I didn't really do my research, but on Instagram I saw that post like a few days before. That's why I remember now. And yeah, so pretty much that's it. I like this. I recommend this one. This one not so much. So sorry, but it's, I mean, maybe if you have better longer lashes and you have the patience, and maybe it works better for you. But Not for me. Okay, so bye. I'm gonna end it here.